हणजुणात दोग जाण ड्रग्स ओव्हरडोसान सोंपले आणि गोयच्या ड्रग्स पेडलरांच्या मुसांच्या पोळ्याचेर फातर मारिल्ल्या भशेन जाले। 12 ऑगस्टा सावन आज मेरेन पुलिसांनी 27 केसी रजिस्टर केल्यात। 4 फॉरेनर धरून 27 जाणांक 27 लाखांचे ड्रग्स धरल्यात। मात हे सगळे ड्रग्साच्या व्यवहारातले करबट, सगळे स्ट्रीट पेडलर्स। मोठो ड्रग्स माफिया म्हणपासारको एकलोय ना। ड्रग्स सप्लायाचे चेनीत फॉरेनासावन गोयच्या दर्यादेगे मेरेन कितलेशेच जाण आसात।
So there are street peddlers, they are the lowest level, Then there are the suppliers who may be active at the some taluka level or district level. Then they have a linkage with the state level. Then they have the linkage with across the state with the traffickers. So they are all vertically as well as horizontally connected. So it's a web of connectivity basically. So indirectly, one may just guess that if there is a stuff on the ground, maybe linked to something or somewhere. But apparently, so far the investigation is concerned, in whatever cases we have detected, so far clear-cut linkage has not come out.
पुलिसांक ड्रग पेडलर आणि माफियाचे जाळे फोडपाक जमना। केशी स्ट्रीट पेडलरा मेरेन गुट लावच्यो पडटात हे DIGकूय मान्य।
Right now, I can say that we are not come to a state where we can break that system. We can put a temporary crisis in that system by conducting raids, by having special drives, by convicting them. But the system is much more stronger.
ड्रग्स पेडलर आणि माफियांचे जाळे बरेच मोठे, तांची वावुरपाची पद्धतय तितलीच सादूर। ते काबार करतले जाल्यार पुलिसांक NCB सारकेल्या एजन्सीच्या हातभारा शिवाय जावंक शकना।
Your street is connected to the international market. It's the worldwide web basically, and we are fighting it as a state police organization. Small centers we are fighting. So perhaps that is there is a need to have more coordination, more cooperation amongst the agencies. We need to have more agencies having pan-India jurisdiction like NCB, and we should have much more specialized units like that, so that collectively with full energy we break that system.
NCBची काम करपाची पद्धत DIGकूय मानवल्ली ना। ते स्वतःक गोंय पुलिसांचे कॉम्पिटिटर मानतात। गोयच्या पुलिसांपरस 4 केसी अरेस्ट आणि सीजर मायज दाखोवपाची NCBची मानसिकता। पुलिसांक तांचो आधार जायना।
I don't say that we don't share information. We do share information, but at the same time there is a professional competition also, and that's why there is a collective effort is missing sometimes.
ड्रग्स, काळो पैसो आणि दहशतवादा आड एकेवटेन देश विदेशी पावण्यार संघटन करपाचे मोदी सरकाराचे यत्न, आणि गोंयांत राज्याच्या पुलिसांक NCBचो आधार जायना असो DIGच्या स्टेटमेंटाचो मतितार्थ। आमी DIGच्या स्टेटमेंटाचेर NCBचो रिस्पॉन्स पळोवंक सुप्रिटेंडंटाक गाठपाचो यत्न केलो, मात तो ऑफिसातूय मेळना आणि फोनय उखलिना, मेसेजीकूय जाप दिना। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस।